Welcome to the introduction of the gig economy, a sector that is truly booming and transforming the way we work. More and more people are opting for freelance work, drawn by the promise of freedom, flexibility, and the ability to work from virtually anywhere. However, this shift is not without its challenges, including the need for self-motivation and the uncertainty of a steady income. Throughout this essay, we will guide you on the path to freelance success, offering insights and strategies to navigate this dynamic landscape. The transformation in how we work has been largely driven by technology, which has made remote work more accessible and efficient. Online platforms now seamlessly connect freelancers with clients across the globe, creating unprecedented opportunities for skilled individuals to showcase their talents. This shift is also reshaping traditional employment models, challenging the conventional 9-to-5 job structure. As a freelancer, you gain independence and control over your professional life. You choose your projects and set your own hours, an autonomy that appeals to many seeking a better work-life balance. However, it requires self-discipline, strong organizational skills, and the ability to manage multiple tasks efficiently. This guide offers practical advice for aspiring freelancers, helping you navigate the complexities of the gig economy. Learn how to find clients, manage your time effectively, and build a successful freelance career that stands the test of time. Embrace the gig economy today and unlock your potential for earning, growth, and personal fulfillment. Embracing the freelance lifestyle brings unparalleled freedom and a sense of autonomy. As your own boss, you set your own hours, appealing to those seeking a better work-life balance and the ability to prioritize personal commitments. Flexibility is another significant perk, allowing you to adjust your work hours to fit your lifestyle. With just an internet connection, you can work from anywhere, whether it's a beach, a cafe, or your own home, allowing for travel and remote work opportunities. Freelancing also offers the chance to work on diverse projects across different industries, gaining valuable experience and keeping work interesting and challenging, while collaborating with various professionals. But starting a freelance career requires careful planning and strategic thinking. Consider your skills and interests, research your niche market thoroughly, and develop a strong online presence to thrive in this dynamic and competitive environment. Freelancing comes with its own set of challenges, and it's not always the glamorous lifestyle it's often portrayed to be. One major issue is income volatility. Your earnings can be inconsistent, necessitating careful financial management and strategic planning. Create a budget and track your expenses diligently to avoid financial pitfalls. Finding clients also takes considerable effort and persistence. You must market your skills effectively, network with others in your field, and build relationships with potential clients to secure steady work. The competition can indeed be fierce, with many freelancers vying for the same opportunities. To stand out, highlight your unique skills and experience, and offer excellent customer service to leave a lasting impression. Remember, rejection is part of the process. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Instead, learn from every experience, refine your approach, and keep trying to improve your craft. With persistence and dedication, the freelance journey can lead to significant rewards and personal satisfaction. In mastering the art of freelancing, there are several essential skills for success. Time management is crucial. Create a schedule and stick to it. Prioritize tasks and avoid distractions. Use tools to stay organized. Communication skills are essential too. Communicate clearly with clients and respond promptly to messages to build strong professional relationships. Marketing yourself is key. Create a professional website or portfolio and use social media to showcase your work. Network with potential clients. Finally, financial literacy is important. Track your income and expenses, set realistic rates for your services, and manage your taxes effectively. Building your brand and establishing your presence in the digital age is critical. Your personal brand is your reputation, and it influences how clients perceive you. Cultivate a professional image. A strong online presence is vital. Create a professional website, showcase your portfolio and testimonials, and use social media strategically. Engage with your audience, share valuable content, and participate in relevant online communities. Build relationships with your followers. Seek feedback and reviews, ask clients for testimonials, and respond to feedback constructively. Use it to improve your services. Diversifying your income by creating multiple streams of revenue is a smart strategy. Don't rely on a single income source. Explore different avenues. Offer a variety of services within your niche. Consider creating digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or templates. These can generate passive income over time. Affiliate marketing is another option. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn commissions on successful referrals. Teaching or coaching can be lucrative as well. Share your expertise through online courses or workshops and leverage your skills to help others. The gig economy offers incredible opportunities, but success requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the journey and enjoy the rewards. Remember to continuously improve. Stay updated on industry trends, enhance your skills, and adapt to the ever-evolving freelance landscape. Freelancing allows you to be your own boss and control your destiny. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your achievements. This essay provided a glimpse into the world of freelancing. Remember, there is always more to learn. Explore the resources available and continue to grow.